Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shahnawaz Ahmed. Recently, I published a paper in a journal and that I want to record here for the reference. The journal is indexed in Web of Science database. So first of all, we will see where is the link of journal and where it is indexed. I'm posting here the link of Web of Science database. Click on this. This is the website where we can search that whether the journal is indexed or not, that you can see here. Web of Science group, master journal list, search journal. Here in this text box, we can write journal name or ISSN. I'm writing ISSN of the journal 2319 hyphen 4979. Click on search journal. After clicking, the journal appeared here, found one result. This is Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal, and it is indexed in a Web of Science index database. In the left side, we can see more filters when we want to search some journal in some other ways of searching. Means based on the region, based on the country, based on open access record, something like that. But here I am able to search directly because I know the ISSN number of journal. ISSN number is this 23194979. Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal. This journal is indexed and available in the Web of Science group in the database of Web of Science. Now let's see a view profile page of the journal. We will click here. After clicking, we can see here this is the Web of Science detail of this journal, Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal. Journal page, frequency, country, India, publisher, website, issues like that, Web of Science coverage. These are the details of Web of Science coverage. Multidisciplinary sciences. This is the group and category of the journal where it is indexed. And now we will see that the journal page should open when we click on visit site. Visit site means journal website that will open when we click from the database of Web of Science. Click here. This is the journal. ISSN number same 43194979 Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal. This is the journal that is indexed in Web of Science database. Now I will find my paper here where it is available. Click on special issues, special issue 2021. These are the special issues. We will click on a special issue on engineering, technologies and management. These are the part 1 to part 9. After clicking part 9, the paper opened that are in the part 9 of the special issue. Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal special issue. Yes, so this is a long list of papers, so I should find my paper here. Control F. My name is there. AHAMAD, my second name. From my second name, I got here this paper. Paper title: Analyzing the Impact of Performance Management and Internet of Things on Project Success in Large Enterprise. S. Ahmed, Shahnawaz Ahmed, and the first author. This is the affiliation. Affiliation is this: College of Computer Science and Engineering, University of Hail, Saudi Arabia. After that, these are the associates in this paper. This is the paper, abstract of the paper, keywords, introduction, literature review. Paper started from 1266 page number. In discussion, proposed method, IoT implementation, conclusion, references. This article ended on page number 1270. After that, this is the paper of someone else. This is another researcher, P. Srivastava, factor of this is this. So this is the paper, and there are so many other paper published. All right, this is the record of my recently published paper. Control F. This is the paper here. By clicking Control F, page number 1266. Analyzing the impact of performance management and Internet of Things on project success in large enterprise. S. Ahmed, Shahnawaz Ahmed, College of Computer Science and Engineering, University of Hail, Saudi Arabia. This is the paper started from page number 1266 and ended on the page number 1270. This is the record of my recently published paper. Journal name is Vidya Bharati International Interdisciplinary Research Journal, and special issues on engineering technologies and management. The journal is indexed in Web of Science database. Here it is the indexing details. When we click on visit site, this will open. Again, going on special issue this, number 4, then number 9. After that, paper open, Control F, search Ahmed, because the pattern of the journal is to write the surname as full and first name or second name as initial only. S. Ahmed, Shahnawaz Ahmed. A Web of Science database indexing here. Thank you so much.